crab catching. Look, this is a crab pole, ma'am. You see, this is your hold a crab pole. And we was catching like this. Look, one. Look, showing this now generation.
Yes.
Chairman, never give up.
It's come out, it's come out, it's come out, it's come out.
Come out. You see?
There.
Dagoy re baba. He dagoy.
There, Lucy. He found the crab.
See.
Is it alive? Yeah.
Of course. See, this we make 50 and sell for 20 rupees. 50 of this. That time there was lot.
1,000.
Now environment people are destroying.
50 pieces.
50 pieces for 20 rupees.
Why? What rubbish?
And this
That
I
is
also.
from-
No, this is older. Now I am 50 plus, ma'am. I am talking about 40 years ago. Very good for Shakudi. He's supposed to give birthday boy gift, but he is giving me
Return
gift.
gift. Return.
Thank you very much, boy. God bless you and give you a good advice for education. Thank you, girls.
Hajun.
Ma'am, where you from? Ma'am, where you from?
Kolkata.
Good life. Look at that. Finally, it's going. Finally.